Well, you know, it was Christmas time and the mamas made empanaditas or whatever, and if you had a little money, I guess you kind of bought goodies like candy and stuff for the kids that used to go out, and you know, pedir Christmas is what they used to say. You know, yeah, yeah, but that's gone. Miss Christmas, you know, because well, over here everybody mostly was Spanish. There wasn't that much of English in it, you know. And yeah, you went and knocked on the door and they would open and give you some candy or whatever they had, empanaditas or, you know. Yeah, that was the old days.